derivation of the laws of indices part 7. This is what the climax of what the laws of what indices derivation. We started from part 1, and of course this is the climax, which is the part 7. So the derivation of what the seventh law of indices is what we are looking at now. The seventh law of indices states that what a raised by what m over what n is equal to the what nth what power of a raised by what n. So our duty, like I said before, is to see to the derivation of what this law. How did it what originate? Recall, don't forget that we've been able to establish that a raised by what m is as good as a times what a times what a times and so on times what is the exponent there? M. So we say m number of what places, m number of places or what factors, m number of places or what factors. If that is true, it implies that wherever we see what a raised by what m in this what expression, we are what right if we should put in this what expression. So that becomes what a raised by what m over what n. That becomes what the nth power, the nth what power of a times what a times what a times and so on times what m number of places, m number of what places or what factors, n number of what places or what factors. Proceeding forth, we have a raised by what m over n is not as good as, now this expression we have here is as good as what the nth what root of what a times what the nth what power rather of what a times what the nth what power of a times and so on times what the m number of places, m number of what places or what factors, m number of what places or factors. Going further, we have a raised by what m. Let me write it in a manner that it will be clearer for you to see. A raised by what m over what n is not equal to this expression is a raised by 1 all over what n times what a raised by 1 all over n times what a raised by 1 all over what n times what and so on times m number of what places, m number of what places or what factors, m number of what places or factors. Finally, we have a raised by what m over what n is now equals to, taking one of these, we have a raised by 1 all over what n, either n closing bracket times what either raised by what the m number of what factors, which is what m in this case. So we have a raised by 1 over n raised by the m number of factors, which is what m, and that is equals to what a raised by what either 1 over n times m, and that is m all over what n. And what is a raised by m divided by n standing for? It is standing for the nth what power of a raised by m. So therefore it can be concluded that what a raised by m over what n is as good as the nth what power of a raised by what m. This is what the derivation of the seventh rather law of what indices, and this is the end of the derivation of what the laws of what indices, which we started right from part 1 and of course climaxing at part what 7. In our next what edition, we shall be looking at the application of what the various what laws of what indices, both towards elementary question and of course toward higher what school of what learning question. Do not hesitate to like, share, comment, and of course look forward to what the next edition, which I said to be the application of what the laws of what indices. Love you.